All right, guys, Hemp sent us something pretty cool. This is their Juicy Peach Slices 48-hour hydration body moisturizer. And I tell you what, if you've never had Hemp's before, you're definitely going to get this stuff. This stuff you apply generously all over the body. It is their Feeling Peachy hydrating formula with a fruity scent of peaches, tangerine, and strawberries. It is THC-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan, 48-hour hydrating, and dermatologist tested. So that is one of those things with regards to it. Let me go ahead and take a look. I always like to look at the ingredients to see what we got going on there, just to know that we got proper stuff. Hopefully we can get that. There we go. You can zoom into it and check it out. So let's go ahead and see what she smells like here, because that is super important. I like when they got proper covers on all these guys, so we know that they're not tampered or messed with. That's super important. Let's go ahead and get this off. All right, there we go. So we can see it's a clear bottle, so it has got that peachy color, which I'm definitely digging right there. Let's go ahead and open it up here the right way. Super thick stuff. I mean, this is one that is 100% peach. I don't even know how else to explain other than that. 100% smells like almost like a good old peach ring right there. This is one that you're going to be lathering on and feel really good, as it's going to be something smooth, soothing at the end of the day. Guys, Hemp said it again with the awesome smell, awesome products. You definitely got to check them out.